Hello everyone. Today our lesson is talking about fundamental force in nature. First, what's the meaning of force? Force is the changes of the state of object from static to motion and vice versa, and also change the direction of motion. So what's the meaning of static? Static means rest. So again, force means what? Means changes of the state of object from static to motion, rest to motion, or vice versa, from motion to rest, and also changes the direction of motion. We have three types of universal forces. We have three types. First, attraction forces means gravity. Two, electromagnetic forces. Third, nuclear forces. Now, with the first type, is called attraction force. First, we will talk about the weight of object or object weight. So what the mean of object weight is a force which attracts object toward its earth to its center, or the attraction force between the center of the earth and any object. And we can get the weight from this rule. Weight equal mass times earth's gravitational acceleration. Weight is measured by Newton. Mass is measured by kilogram, not gram. Is measured by gram. Finally, Earth's gravitational acceleration is measured by meter per second square, and it is equal 10 meter per second square. Now let's answer this problem. Calculate the weight of object. Its mass equal 20 kilogram. So the answer, first we write the rule. The rule equal weight equal mass times g. Mass m times acceleration gravity is symbolized by g. Weight equal 20 times 10 equal 200 Newton. N is a symbol of Newton. Second, we will talk about electromagnetic forces. We know that we can get magnetic forces from electric current. Like if we bring a battery, connecting wire and wrought iron, and we coil the wire around the wrought iron, and we connect the two ends of wire with battery. What happened? The wrought iron become a temporary magnet and they can attract pencil paper or paper clips. It can attract paper clips or filling, iron filling. So we can conclude that electric current has a magnetic effect, and we can use this force in a lot of things. So some of application of electromagnetic force, like number 1, electromagnet, number 2, electric generator, number 3, electric motor. First, electromagnet. Electromagnet, it's made up of isolated copper wire coiled around a bar of soft iron or wrought iron, and when electric current passes through it, it works as a magnet. So what are the uses of electromagnet? First, electric winch. Second, electric bell. Electric winch, which can lift iron and cars in ports, and electric bell. We can use electromagnetic force in making electric generator, means dynamo. It converts mechanical energy to electric energy. Third, we can use electromagnetic force to make electric motor. It converts electric energy to mechanical energy that used in fans, blender, and washing machine. Finally, we will talk about nuclear forces. So what's the meaning of nuclear forces? Nuclear forces is found inside the atom, and This atom contains a big forces. This force is called the nuclear forces. And the scientists use it to make a lot of things. First, if this force is weak, they call them the weak nuclear force that used in treating patients and used in scientific research. If this force is strong, they called it the strong nuclear force. Is used to generate electricity and also used in military purposes. And thank you very much. Bye.